CARSJADE, where we keep things laid back but informative. Today, we're diving into the refreshed 2026 Cadillac CT5 V, a sporty luxury sedan that bridges everyday comfort and V-Series performance. The 2026 CT5 V takes Cadillac's sporty sedan and enhances it with refined updates both inside and out. It maintains its twin-turbo V6 powerhouse while introducing more tech and subtle visual tweaks to stay competitive. Fans describe it as a comfy cruiser that stiffens up and tears it up when you hit the V-mode button. The exterior takes Cadillac's signature stacked LED lighting and refreshed front fascia to present a sharper, more aggressive look. The CT5 V Blackwing ratchets things up further with mesh grille inserts, larger air intakes, OLED taillights, and performance-specific aero tweaks like a rear diffuser and spoiler. It remains low, wide, and lean, ready to handle both city streets and twisty backroads. Inside, you'll find Cadillac's massive curved 33-inch LED display seamlessly merging instrument panel and infotainment. It's paired with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, head-up display, and a premium AKG 16 speaker system. Sport seats are heavily bolstered, heated, and ventilated, while magnetic ride control enhances ride quality and sharpness. Overall, the cabin balances luxury and performance-oriented functionality beautifully. The standard CT5 V packs a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 making 360 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.8 seconds. If you're looking for extreme performance, the CT5 V Blackwing cranks it heavier with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, delivering 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.6 seconds. The Blackwing is available with a jaw-dropping 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic. Both models feature magnetic ride control, an electronic limited-slip diff, and the CT5 V uses Cadillac's V-mode to stiffen suspension and sharpen responses. Production of the 2026 CT5 V begins in late May 2025, with dealer availability launching in late 2025/early 2026. The standard CT5 V starts at around $59,095, while the CT5 V Blackwing begins near $99,095. The V-Series sees a modest bump of $605 from last year, while the Blackwing rose by $2,005. The 2026 CT5 V is a solid balance between luxury sedan comfort and spirited performance. Owners appreciate its dual nature, relaxed on highways yet eager on twisty roads. If you're going for adrenaline, the Blackwing offers supercar-level speed. If you prefer daily usability with sporty flair, the standard CT5 V offers excellent value. And that's our laid-back exploration of the 2026 Cadillac CT5 V. If you enjoyed this, be sure to smash that like button, tap the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE for more relaxed yet insightful car deep dives. Which CT5 V would you choose? The V6 twin-turbo or the full-blown Blackwing V8? Let us know in the comments below. Drive safe, and catch you next time.